Hardest part is always thinking that you will never be good enough. I think that is the challenge. I think many dads out there feel the same way. Fatherhood pada saya adalah untuk provide safety, being present. I think being present is one of the most benda paling penting sebagai seorang ayah, sebab saya ikut apa yang ayah saya buat lah. When I got married, because dah ada 3 anak with my wife. 3 anak ni ada different ages, different perangai. Nombor 1 adalah darjah 2. So nombor 2 princess. Nombor 3 2 tahun. Dia tengah the people call it terrible too lah. Hardest part is always thinking that you will never be good enough. I think that is the challenge. I think many dads out there feel the same way. Wherever you are, you feel macam cukup ke kasih masa, cukup kasih attention kat bini. Bila dah jadi seorang ayah ni kan, is you thought that you will teach them, tapi these kids will teach you. These kids will teach you patience, understanding. You need to give time. I've never taught them the word stepfather itself. Because kalau kita dah mulakan dia dah nampak line tu kat situ. So I dismiss that you are all my children. Tak ada beza. Oh, my birthday, all of them simpan duit raya ke apa, something like that. Bought me a watch. Tu macam, macam aku first time ada hadiah sebagai bapa macam gitu. To all new fathers kan, you must understand there is no manual. You will learn as you go. Anak-anak ni needs you, be present. Jangan lupa pendidikan agama dengan dorang, sebab at the end of the day, kita ingat je bila kita meninggal satu hari ni, apa yang kita tinggalkan kepada anak-anak ni. Kepada ayah-ayah di luar sana, teruskan menjadi ayah yang tercontoh dan terus bersabarlah, insya-Allah.